you please share some of your thoughts and experiences with mindset on a couple of levels? For you, what it means and how you approach it, and then how you integrate it into, helping companies change.
Yeah. Thank you for asking. And I'm really touched that you like my work. It's one thing when the people out there says something good about you. It's another when people you consider your friends or close colleagues actually give you a compliment. It touches my heart so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I really believe in attitudes. I believe in mindsets. And I'll tell you the reason why. A lot of us have been taught that a behavior comes about through our thoughts, our thinking. Thinking has a lot of impact on how our behavior develops, but our thinking and our emotions are highly shaped by our attitudes. So let me give you an example just to make it concrete. Let's say it's a fall night, you're coming back from work, you got off the bus, you're walking to your home, and it's a little bit dark, you hear a sound behind you. For a behavior to come to life, the first thing is you actually intake the information. That's the sound, so you hear it. So it's the senses that activate first. And then from there, you feel something. It's energy moving. You either go up or down. So you'll either feel hot or cold. Something will happen where that sensation transforms in your body. And then depending on your physical situation, your overall well-being, emotions will start to run. And these are preliminary emotions. You'll either feel excited or you'll feel scared, but then thoughts come to play and you start writing scenarios like, is someone following me? Is it leaves on the ground? Is it cars rolling? And depending on which, you actually come back to your emotion and land somewhere like, oh my God, I'm scared. And then the behavior comes into life. So there's sort of a information flow back and forth.